Victory. Victory belongs to Jesus. Victory belongs to him. Or me. I got the victory. Get to sit in the car and not do none of this. Victorious day. Because it's definitely 95 degrees outside. Man, he's scrubbing that thing so hard, I think it's going to fall off at the bottom. You're going to be mad with me when you get to the front seat. I got French fries in the side. I hate when I go to car washes and see people butt crack. So I'm glad Davius is wearing a belt. I can't reach it. Now, when I do this, I don't spend half as much time scrubbing at all. Why? In and out, 5 minutes. 5-minute vacuum.
This how Shantae needs her car.
Shut up, first off. That's why you don't know how to move the steering wheel. Talking junk about me. I should have recorded when we did his car yesterday. I get my car washed every 3 months. This is Davius' first time doing it.
This is Davius' first time what?
Washing it.
My Jeff, you need to wash it more often. All this build up.
How often do you wash your car? All right, talking junk.
Why you gotta put me off?
Because you judging Jay Bluey. Your vein popping out on your forehead.
Huh?
Your vein popping out on your forehead. You working hard. And you ain't even get to the middle yet where them French fries at.